if we can look at the behavior and ask ourselves, is it causing a disruption? Is it an issue of disrespect? Is it a refusal? Or is it a safety? I don't want to get all caught up in, oh my gosh, this kid's been throwing chairs all day. What I do want to say is, this child creates a safety issue. For what reason? And what's the lacking skill that they create that safety issue? See, so I park the chair, the actual act of throwing a chair, over here in my mind, and I go right to what it creates. So always go there. Always ask yourself, what's the behavior we're seeing, and what problem is it creating? Because the problem it creates is a lot more important than the actual behavior itself.